Welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you one of many ways to unreconcile a transaction. To start here, what I will do is I'll go into accounting and account transactions. And once that's loaded, what I'm looking for are my motor vehicle expenses. So I'm going to just type in motor vehicles and click on this box. Because I can never remember the account number, I'll just type in the description of it instead and click update. And what I know is that I have £60 worth of central city parking items, but as you can see, we've only got 48 here. So what I want to do is go back to my bank account and find out where that other transaction has gone. So into my bank account, and the item that's missing is this central city parking of the 7th of January. So what I can see is it says motor vehicles. That's gone to the wrong location. It's meant to be motor vehicle expenses. So what I want to do is click on the options button and remove and redo. And then I can go back to my reconcile screen. Search for the transaction. And then I can code it to the right location. So Xero is already suggesting to put it to motor vehicle expenses. So I'm happy that that's the right location. Then I can click OK. Again, as a nice check, I can go back to accounting, account transactions. And once that's loaded, I will look for the motor vehicles expenses in my accounts, click update, and then I can see my £60 worth of central city parking. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.